6 Benefits of Data-Driven Marketing Revealed. Welcome to the Data-Driven Marketing Tips and Benefits series, the viral video series that will revolutionize your small business marketing strategies. In this episode, we'll explore the incredible 6 benefits of utilizing data-driven marketing techniques. Get ready to take your campaigns to the next level. Benefit 1. Targeting potential customers with personalized offers. Imagine reaching your customers with offers tailored specifically to their needs. That's the power of data-driven marketing. Meet Jane, a small business owner who used data-driven marketing to target her potential customers. Here's how she did it. Step 1. Identify your target audience. Step 2. Collect relevant customer data, e.g., preferences, purchase history. Step 3. Analyze the data to create customer segments. Step 4. Develop personalized offers based on each segment. Step 5. Launch targeted campaigns using various channels. Pros: increased customer engagement and conversion rates. Greater customer satisfaction and loyalty. Cons: privacy concerns if not handled responsibly. Requires accurate and up-to-date customer data. Benefit 2. Measuring success metrics across multiple channels. Ever wondered how effective your marketing campaigns are across different channels? With data-driven marketing, you can measure success metrics accurately. Let's look at a real-life example. Step 1. Set clear campaign goals and define key performance indicators, KPIs. Step 2. Implement tracking mechanisms across multiple channels, e.g., website analytics, email marketing software. Step 3. Analyze the data to measure KPIs and campaign effectiveness. Step 4. Use the insights gained to optimize future campaigns. Pros: improved decision-making based on data-driven insights. Optimized allocation of marketing budget and resources. Cons: can be time-consuming to gather and analyze data. Requires technical expertise in interpreting analytics. Benefit 3. Generating measurable ROI with accurate analytics. What if you could ensure that every marketing campaign generates a measurable ROI? Data-driven marketing makes it possible. Here's a real-life example. Step 1. Define clear objectives for your campaign. Step 2. Implement accurate tracking systems to capture relevant data. Step 3. Analyze the data to measure the campaign's impact on sales and revenue. Step 4. Calculate ROI by comparing the campaign's cost to the generated revenue. Pros: increased profitability through effective allocation of resources. Ability to identify and replicate successful campaigns. Cons: requires investment in data analytics tools and expertise. Potential for inaccurate results if data is not properly collected or analyzed. Benefit 4. Gaining greater audience insights. The fourth benefit of data-driven marketing is gaining greater insights into your audience. Understanding who your customers are, what they want, and how they behave is crucial for any business. Successful real-life example. A local bakery uses data analytics to identify its target audience's preferences and buying patterns. By analyzing customer data, they discover that their customers prefer gluten-free options and tend to make purchases during weekends. Armed with this knowledge, the bakery started offering a wider range of gluten-free products and implementing targeted weekend promotions. Pros: personalized marketing efforts to cater to specific customer preferences. Increase customer satisfaction by delivering relevant offers and experiences. Drive sales by aligning products and promotions with customer demands. Cons: requires investment in data analytics tools and expertise. Privacy concerns must be addressed when collecting and analyzing customer data. Step-by-step instructions. Collect relevant customer data through various channels, website, social media, loyalty programs. Analyze and segment the data to identify patterns, preferences, and behaviors. Use the insights gained to tailor marketing messages, offers, and experiences to specific customer segments. Benefit 5. Optimizing advertising campaigns. The fifth benefit of data-driven marketing is the ability to optimize advertising campaigns for maximum ROI. Successful real-life example. An online clothing store uses data analytics to measure the effectiveness of its Facebook ads. By tracking metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per acquisition, they identify which ads perform best. They then reallocate their ad budget towards the most successful ads and refine their targeting to reach their ideal customers more efficiently. Pros. Maximizes the impact of advertising spend by focusing on the most effective campaigns. Improves targeting precision, reaching the right customers at the right time. Provides measurable results for continuous improvement. Cons. Requires continuous monitoring and analysis of campaign performance. Can be time-consuming and may require expertise in data analysis. Step-by-step instructions. Set clear objectives for your advertising campaigns, e.g., increase sales, drive website traffic. Implement tracking mechanisms to gather relevant campaign data, e.g., UTM parameters, and conversion pixels. Analyze campaign data regularly to identify top-performing ads and key metrics. Benefit 6. Competitive advantage. With data-driven marketing, you can gain a competitive edge in the market. By leveraging data insights, you can identify emerging trends, understand your competitive strategies, and adapt accordingly. Pros. Stay ahead of market trends. Identify new growth opportunities. Differentiate your business from competitors. Cons. Requires continuous monitoring of market trends. Competitors may also adopt similar strategies. Step-by-step instructions. Monitor industry trends through market research reports, social media listening tools, and competitor analysis. Analyze the data to identify emerging market trends and consumer preferences. Adapt your marketing strategies to align with these trends. It is essential to constantly observe and analyze the strategies employed by your competitors in order to adapt your own approach accordingly. These are just a few of the benefits that data-driven marketing can offer small businesses like yours. Harness the power of data insights to make intelligent decisions, cultivate personalized experiences, optimize resource allocation, and secure a leading position in the market.